Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Julfianri and I am 19074046. This article explores the implication and the descriptive potential of electromobility on the German automotive supplier industry in a company level analysis. The uptake of electric bicycles has become an increasingly prominent topic among the automotive industry for the past year and can pose risks but also opportunities among traditional automotive suppliers in Germany. Will macro level qualitative analysis and tracing the implication of electromobility for the German automotive industry is relatively plentiful. These include, among others, there exists a relative gap in qualitative frame level analysis that implement what the affected suppliers and actually doing in order to position themselves for market that will at some point be dominated by electric bicycles. Address this question is some part of their general survey about automotive suppliers and explore this issue from the perspective of embedded trust management. Also, sector-specific magazines such as Begrifford of the German Foundry Association provide frame level examples. From this background, this study aims to contribute frame level empirical evidence about the strategic position of companies in the German automotive supply industry amidst an expected market uptake of electric bicycles. The emergence and descriptive potential of electromobility. Such survey and analysis indicate a diverse picture in the term of the risks and opportunities of Germany automotive supplier amidst current market dynamic. It is the traditional automotive supplier which feature a high dependence on combustion engine part that from the main research subject of this study. Before the frame level empirical evidence is outlined and discussed, the conceptual framework of the study is presented in the following section. Conceptual frame, global frame change and global production network. This study explored the strategic deployment of companies that face a potential descriptive market risk. It is essential in this context to understand the external dynamic to which a company is exposed as well as its internal resources which determine its strategic option at hand. Characteristic of traditional automotive value chains. This study, the automotive industry is a large, highly complex and highly globalized sector and contributed a preeminent example of a global production network. Two characteristics in particular are relevant for understanding the situation in the which traditional automotive supplier find themselves. The impact of electric mobility on German automotive suppliers. They understand the strategic position of a supplier with regards to electric mobility. It is necessary to understand the relevance of this topic for each company. Automotive supplier network, dynamic technical pending change. This study takes a slightly different approach and emphasizes this broad set of categories to synthesize the strategies of individual firms as they are passively exposed to potential descriptive external dynamic. The scheme is adaptive insofar as it is not limited to upgrading but explicitly includes the possibility of adaptation or even downgrading. Similar approaches of firm level upgrading or respectively downgrading have been explored also. Conclusive remarks. This article provides empirical perspective of German automotive supplier to explore firm level implication of an overall market traditional to electric vehicles. In doing this, the study contributed to filling a gap in qualitative empirical data about the actual strategic option and activities on the firm level to respond to the challenge which entail the expected predict change in engines technology. While the fleet company strategies are diverse, they feature patterns which were also visible in other studies within the context of GVC or GVN peers for captive suppliers. The vertical mobility in terms of activities functional upgrade within existing value change is a more viable and also a more effective strategic part compared to switching the GVN altogether. Second, this notion of improving one's competitive position by adapting company internal capabilities is a notion reiterated in literature which was also general support by empirical evidence for this study. Despite the low number of interview companies, the findings were relatively consistent and were supported by further evidence from management and GPN or GPC relative literature. Thank you.